Have dark times fallen on your clothes drying experience? I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the light bulb inside your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great Whirlpool manufactured brands such as Amana, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. So stay tuned, I promise it's going to be an enlightening experience. If you need to purchase an appliance-specific light bulb for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Your dryer has an interior light on the back of the drying drum where the clothes tumble. This light comes on when you open the door to make loading and unloading the dryer easier. This model of dryer requires a screw-in 10-watt bulb. Tools needed? 1/4-inch nut driver or socket, a flashlight, or another light source. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. Place or prop your light source to illuminate the back wall of the dryer drum. To change the light bulb, you must first remove the protective light lens. This cover is held on by 1/4-inch hex head screw. Using your nut driver or socket, remove the 1/4-inch screw at the bottom of the plastic light lens located in the back of the dryer drum. The light lens will now lift up and slide out of the back panel of the dryer drum. Using your fingers, unscrew the light bulb by turning it counterclockwise until it is free. Be careful not to drop it in the drum as it's made out of glass and can shatter. If you need to purchase a new light bulb, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. To install your new appliance-grade light bulb, gently screw the bulb into the socket in a clockwise motion. Using a firm pressure to tighten the bulb, but do not over-tighten as you could damage the bulb or the dryer light socket. Tilt the light lens until the mounting clip is inserted into the mounting slot above the light socket. Rotate the lens down and align the screw hole to the mounting hole below the light socket and insert and tighten the screw. Reconnect your dryer's power and test your light by opening the door. And that'll do it for today's video. And now you can answer the age-old question, how many DIY people does it take to change a light bulb? 1. You. Congratulations. As always, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.